Hi everyone! It's Jan Pakinen here and medyo slow and late na ako nagising, guys. Ayan, today is Tuesday. Tuesday, November 26, ganyan. And as in tinamad akong lumabas and ewan ko nga ba, guys, pero ever since dumating ako dito sa Hanoi, medyo gloomy yung weather. Hindi ko alam if it's like that talaga dito sa Hanoi or talagang pag winter wala masyadong sun. Again, I have no idea. First time ko dito. And ayan, since nung one day up until now, wala talaga akong nakitang araw. Like, it's super, well, it's not particularly cold. Okay lang naman siya. Hindi siya mainit. It's just, ano lang talaga siya, gloomy. And, napansin ko din dun nung pumunta ko sa One Kiem Lake, guys, na parang medyo foggy. Hindi siya fog pala. Parang siyang smog. Parang siyang air pollution daw, sabi nung tour guide ko the other day. Anyway, nag-order ako sa Grab. Tinestingan ko lang kung gumagana yung Grab nila and sobrang bilis ng Grab nila, guys. Siguro mga less than 15 minutes, nandito na yung food ko. I ordered bagel. And, yeah. For brunch. Kasi nga late ako nagising. I worked yesterday. So, kailangan ko talagang matulog. Or else, di ba? So, I do have this order from Glazed Artisan Donut. Ayan. I have this order from Lifted Coffee and Brunch. Mamay Branch, ganon. Kasi nasa ano ako, guys, Mamay Street. Neto yung mga sauces. I have a hot chili sauce. I have a tomato sauce. And then parang may ano din ako, parang hindi ko alam, dressing ba to? Mayonnaise. And then yung mismong bagel. I'm so excited to eat it. Sorry sa kalat, guys, ha. Ayan, I'm super hungry. Again, I worked last night up until early in the morning and then natulog ako and then I woke up. Right now, it's 12:30. Yung flight ko, again, wala pang changes so far from... Ayan. That's the bagel. I ordered the bagel and bacon and cheese. Yum. I love it. Anyway, ayun nga. As I was saying, I will fly to Ho Chi Minh tomorrow morning and I chose Vietjet. Sabi nila notorious daw sila sa pagiging late and maraming changes. Mas malala pa sila sa Cebu pa. Actually. So, ayan. So, ang gagawin ko today is maging alerto na lang sa whatever changes na isasend ng Vietjet. Hopefully, walang changes. So, my flight is tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. And estimated arrival ko sa airport ng Ho Chi Minh is around 1. Again, if there are no changes. Malalaman mo naman pag may changes kasi mag-email yan sila ng updated itinerary. Kung sinasabi nila na updated itinerary, the same lang naman din yung oras sa original booking mo. You just go there as per usual. So good. If all is well and walang mga changes sa flight ko papuntang Ho Chi Minh, expected arrival is at 1 p.m. and pwede pa akong makarest and hopefully makatry akong magkape again doon. Tonight, magkakape ulit ako. I will go to Bangkong Coffee sa hapon to try their coffee. Again, I don't know. I have no idea kung ano yung masarap doon. Gusto ko mag-try ng egg coffee. Actually, hindi ko pa siya na-try. Nag-try ako dun sa Train Street, guys. Hindi siya life-changing. Like, kape siya. Hindi din naman malansa. Pero I just don't like it. Diba pag nakikita ko yung sa TikTok tsaka sa YouTube na tinatry ng mga vloggers na sobrang sarap daw na kape. Wala pa akong naano so far. Yung kagabi na coconut coffee, masarap din, pero baka kako marami pang mas ibang, mas may isasarap pa, if you know what I mean. So, sarap, oh. I love bagel, and I love cheese. I love melted cheese. Siguro sa iba naumay sila, pero ako sobrang sarap ako nito. Hi everyone! Good evening! So, ngayon, papunta ako ng Bangkong Coffee para magkapag-try ng kape nila. And then maybe later, another coffee na naman kasi goods lang naman kasi I will work tonight. So, need ko talaga ng boost ng energy. Anyway, tinatry kong hanapin yung Bangkong Coffee pero pagkalabas ko ng hotel, medyo malamig na guys. Aircon feels. Tas yung damit ko, sobrang nipis. Pero kaya naman, hindi naman siya sobrang malamig. Matotolerate naman. Napansin ko lang guys, pag tumataan ako dito sa sa daan, 'di ba maraming tindahan ng pagkain. Hindi ako masyadong tinatawag. Hindi ko alam kasi baka feeling nila lokal lang naglalakad. Sabi kasi ng tour guide ko, pag nakita niya daw ako tapos hindi ako nagsalita, akala niya daw Pilipino. I mean, akala niya Vietnamese. Tapos nang sinabi kong Filipino ako, ayun na. For sure, yung mga tinatawag nila is yung mga talagang halatang foreigner. So yan, finally nasa harap na ako ng Bangkong Coffee guys. Yan, super ganda niya, very Christmassy yung vibe. And ayun na nga, medyo malamig-lamig na rin dito sa Hanoi kasi nga sabi nila it's winter time here. Pero I don't feel na it would, you know, need a puffer jacket or anything. Siguro light jacket na lang pero ayun na nga, parang hindi pa siya sobrang lamig. Tolerable naman. I don't know, probably in December, baka sobrang lamig na kasi winter. Pero yan, sobrang pretty ng place, guys. Look. Super pretty. Oh my gosh. Today, ito try natin mag-coffee sa kanila. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung recommendation, pero bahala na. Kung ano na lang yung makita ko sa menu. May menu naman sa labas. Ayan guys, so nandito na ako sa loob ng cafe and ayun na nga, pinapasok ako dito sa, pinaakyat ako sa 3rd floor and dito daw ako mag-order ng coffee and I wanna order pasta too. And then, tinanong ko sila kung pwede ba sa labas na lang umupo. Hindi daw kasi naka-reserve. So, hindi ko alam na pwede pa lang magpa-reserve or kailangan pa lang magpa-reserve kasi wala namang nakaupo sa labas. Pero ayan na, fully booked daw sila. So sad. Egg coffee. So, gusto kong try yung egg coffee nila. Hindi ko alam kung masarap. Hopefully masarap. Sabi nila masarap daw. And then, for the meal, siguro nila, pasta. Ganon. The facade of the actual, the restaurant is super pretty. So, anyway, I think I'm ready to order. So, ayan, order muna tayo, guys. It's so pretty. I mean, girl. Ang ganda ng mga pa-table setup nila dito. In all fairness naman din sa kanila. But of course, it would have been better. Excuse me. Can I order? Just one egg coffee and then one pesto spaghetti. That's it. Thank you. Ayan guys, dumating na yung order natin. Dumating na yung order natin. Pero, tutry ko muna tong kape. And then, sabi ng tour guide ko, pag nagkakape daw dito sa, sa egg coffee, ang pagandun daw yung pag-mix. Ano? Sarap niya. Ano? Sobrang sarap guys. Mas masarap pa dun sa tinry ko dun sa anong tawag nito? Dun sa train state. Pangit ang lasa. Sorry ah. Oh my god. Ang sarap. Tingnan niyo yung ano niya guys, yung texture niya. It's so creamy. Walang malansa. Wow. So guys, after kong pumunta sa Bangkong Coffee, ay yung next stop ko naman is yung Kong Cafe. Ayan. Hello.
Hi, how can I help you?
Yes, one small coconut coffee.
Would you like to take some snack or something?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank
You
you.
want to take away or stay here?
Stay here.
The coconut coffee is small, right?
Small, yeah.
So, there will be 55.
55.
How will you handle?
Wow. So yun guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Kong Cafe. And ito yung sa malapit sa or overlooking sa Juan Kim Lake. So ayan. Yung part na may buses na nakapark, yan yung mismong lake. And then yung in-order ko pala is my second coffee today in a row, which is yung coconut coffee. Wow, tapang. Tapang ng kape. Grabe. Parang inimix ata to. Hindi ko alam eh. I don't know how to drink it. Pero sobrang tapang ng kape nila. Yung kape nila sobrang tapang. Kayang-kaya kang ipaglaban. Charis. Unang sip pa lang, you would feel the kick. Feeling ko, gising pa rin ako till tomorrow. Dalawang kape in a row, diba? How crazy is that? Minimix ko lang para hindi masyadong matapang. So good. So good. Nalalasahan mo yung tamis ng coconut. pabalik na ako ng hotel. And then yung plano ko is mag-impake na. And then, in about an hour, jujuti na rin ako sa isang client ko for my VA tasks. Sobrang natatawa ako sa sarili ko kasi ang nipis-nipis ng suot ko. Hindi ko na-check yung weather nung paglabas ko ng hotel. Doon ko lang na-realize na teka lang. Parang malamig ah. Kasi yung simoy ng hangin papasok ng hotel. Parang wait, sobrang malamig.
Hey Maya, good night.
Hi everyone! So, ngayon, kakarating ko lang ng hotel. And right now, I'm going to continue working. So, I have my laptop over here. And then, ayun na nga. Today is my last night in Hanoi. So, ang gagawin ko is, while working, I'm going to be start to pack my stuff slowly. And then, after that, make sure that walang nakalimutan. And then, magpa-prepare na din ako ng susuotin ko tomorrow. So, tomorrow, leggings lang tayo para comfy. And then, na-check ko yung weather tomorrow. Sabi dito, uulan daw. So, hopefully naman, makaabot tayo dun sa airport nang hindi tayo naabutan ng... makapunta tayo ng airport na hindi tayo naabutan ng ulan. So, ayun. Ayun, it's a very short Hanoi trip. And siguro kung babalik ako ng Hanoi, I would prefer staying here for like, siguro mga 2 linggo. I feel na that's a really decent amount of time na pwede akong mag-work. At the same time, may mga days na siguro, hindi siguro ako magtutour, I'm not sure. And then, gusto ko lang talagang magising ng hapon, and then just walking around and eating, and maybe coffee, and then back to the hotel. Ayan, gusto ko lang parang slow lang siya. And siguro hindi ako mag-hotel the next time around para sobrang makatipid talaga ako. Though, hindi naman talaga sobrang mahal yung mga hotels dito sa Hanoi as long as nag-book ka ng advance. Or at least 2 to 3 weeks in advance. I think it's a good timing na already. And, ayan. So, sa Ho Chi Minh ko, ang hotel ko is sa Akoya, Saigon Central Hotel ata yung name. Which is, nakita ko na siya dati sa isang vlog. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Sae Tiyoko. She used to do travel vlogs, like solo travel vlogs. And, isa din siya sa mga inspiration ko kung bakit ako nag-vlog na and why I'm traveling solo. Kasi dati, parang iniisip ko pa lang, oh my God, kaya ko ba? Parang I always question myself kung kakayanin ko. Pero now that I'm doing it, it has been great. And na-realize ko na kaya ko naman pala. Madali lang naman pala. Hindi mo talaga malalaman kung kaya mo ang isang bagay kung hindi mo susubukan. And if ever naman na sinubukan mo and it does not work for you, then that's fine. At least, na-try mo, diba? Kaysa naman you'll wonder all your life asking yourself with like a lot of what ifs na, oy, what if nagtry akong mag-travel alone? Or what if nag-backpacking ako sa Asia? Or what if sinubukan kong mag-skydiving? It's just example, you know? So, instead of asking yourself with all these what ifs, I want you to ask yourself, am I ready? And, you know, what am I willing to do to make sure that I enjoy my life to the fullest? Kasi, ganun ako eh. Parang, ayokong mag-waste ng time because I'm not getting any younger. And again, in maybe 5 to 10 years from now, my priorities will change. I may end up, you know, having a family or getting married or having kids. Again, we don't know what will happen in the future. So right now is the best time to really enjoy and just take my time and, you know, go to the places that I have been dreaming of going. Ano pa ba? Ayun. Anyway, so much for the talk. I'm not sure guys kung eventful ba yung vlogs ko for Hanoi. But again, if you have questions, just feel free to comment or put your questions sa comment section, and I will try as best as I can to really answer all of your questions. Ayun. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and if you like this video, please hit thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Jan Pakinern, and see you in the next one. Bye!